dad's anyways. I'd have my mom come pick you up. Put your bike on the wall. Go ahead. Grab We'll go and park somewhere and drink these. Hold on. Coming to you right now. Let me see. Look at that dog. Good dog.
Sería salvo. Así que el Señor no hizo excepción alguna.
Let's go over here, come on. Careful with your tires. Huh? Careful with your tires.
How far does it go?
50. Yeah.
On the streets we go.
Yeah. Yeah. Just hold it for me. I'm coming in right now. There's a guy who has his hat. Go ahead. There's a guy who has his hat backwards, and he rides, and it doesn't even come off his head. The lady's right there. Come on. Go ahead now, come in. I thought that was the complex manager. GoPro, stop recording.